This video will show common error conditions on the printers and locations of some of the sensors. Let's start with the low paper near end error. Not all models have this error condition. This error will show a solid power light and a blinking red or orange light at 2-second intervals, depending on the model. For models such as the TSP652, the sensor is mechanical. For others, such as the TSP702, it is optical. To clear this error, make sure the paper is touching the sensor or replace the paper roll with a full roll. This error is just a warning that the paper is low and will need to be replaced soon, so it's not necessary to replace the roll if it's low. This error doesn't affect the operation of the printer at all. Moving on to the paper out or paper end error. This error will show a solid power or ready light and either a blinking red light at a half-second interval or a solid orange light depending on the model. For models such as the TSP652, the sensor is mechanical. For others such as the TSP702, it's optical. To clear this error, insert a new roll of paper in the printer and close the cover with some paper sticking out of the front. This will ensure the paper is touching the sensor. Moving on to the cover open error. This sensor is inside the printer and not visible. This error will show a solid power or ready light and a solid red light on the printer. To clear this error, make sure the cover is closed properly. For the cutter error, the error light will blink rapidly and the power or ready light will turn off. For the TSP650, TSP652, TSP100, and TSP103, it may be possible to clear this error. In addition to this video, refer to our FAQ listed here. If you don't have one of the mentioned models, turn the printer off and then back on to see if the cutter retracts and the error goes away. Moving on to the ribbon cover error. This sensor is inside the printer and not visible. For this error, the power light will blink at half-second intervals and the error light will stay solid. This only applies to the SP700. With this error, the printer thinks the ribbon cover is open. To clear this error, make sure the ribbon cover is closed properly. For Ethernet and Wi-Fi models, there is an error condition where the printer is not obtaining an IP address or there is no network connectivity. The TSP100 and the TSP103 will show a blinking ready light on the front, and the other models will have both the power and error light blinking at 4-second intervals or quarter-second intervals. To clear this error, make sure the Ethernet cable is plugged into the router if it's an Ethernet printer. To set up a Wi-Fi printer or to troubleshoot an Ethernet printer further, refer to one of our Ethernet or Wi-Fi FAQs to troubleshoot and test. The links will be posted below. Some of the error conditions will vary slightly depending on the model. See the link at the end of this video for more details. If the error conditions above persist, it's likely that the printer will need repair. Contact tech support for further troubleshooting. Congratulations! You're now familiar with the common printer